Hey, what's up YouTube? In this video, I just wanted to go over some of my Pinguicula collection and show how efficient they are at killing and catching fungus gnats. I have a couple of these giganteas. It's definitely it seems to be always a crowd favorite, and it's just kind of the sheer size of them. This one right here, that one, and then this big one right here are all the giganteas, and you can see just purely, way bigger than all the others. There's the Pinguicula Ognata, sorry if I mispronounced that. The Marginatas, definitely one of my other favorites, has a really beautiful just purple center there. The Moriensis times Libolita Belphitic, I believe, or Belphite, sorry if I mispronounced that again. And then probably one of my other favorites besides the Gigantea is this one back here, the Piravet, it's just really wavy, and when you get it under really good light, it tends to get these really like rose pinkish kind of colors in it, and it just has that wavy look to it. This is probably my other favorite one besides the Gigantea. And this is my Titan. The Titan was in this tray over here, but the Giganteas overtook them, and I had to move it out to a different tray. But yeah, just look how efficient these things are at catching gnats. I mean, they're just absolutely covered in them. I think I'm gonna get to trying to propagate these pretty soon. I haven't done it yet or even attempted it yet. So yeah, if you wanna see my propagation methods, tune in for later videos. And yeah, that's my Pinguicula collection and how efficient they are at catching gnats. Thanks for watching.